Hello friends, today we are learn 1 to 5 learning and color name learning. Orange color. Number 1. 1 apple. Red color. 2. 1 2 2 apple. Sky blue color. 3 apple. 1 2 3 3 apple. Yellow color. 4 1 2 3 4 4 apple. Dark green color. 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 apple. Orange color. A for alligator. Red color. B for backpack. Sky blue color. C for candle. Yellow color. D for dolphin. Dark green color. E for earth. Orange color. F for fish. Red color. G for goat. Sky blue color. H for horse. Yellow color. I for island. Dark green color. J for jelly. Orange color. K for kangaroo. Red color. L for lotus. Sky blue color. M for marigold flower. Yellow color. N for nut. Dark green color. O for octopus. Orange color. P for penguin. Red color. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R for rose. Yellow color. S for sun. Dark green color. T for tiger. Orange color. U for umbrella. Red color. V for fan. Sky blue color. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X for Xmas tree. Dark green color. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z for zoo. Small letter alphabet. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Let's paint yellow color. A for apple, brown color. B for balloon, red color. C for cat, sky blue color. D for doctor, orange color. E for egg, yellow color. F for frog, brown color. G for goat, red color. H for hand, sky blue color. I for island, orange color. J for joker, yellow color. K for kite, brown color. L for lion, red color. M for mango, sky blue color. N for nose, orange color. O for onion, yellow color. P for panda, brown color. Q for queen, red color. R for rabbit, sky blue color. S for sun, orange color. T for tiger, yellow color. U for umbrella, brown color. V for van, red color. W for watermelon, sky blue color. X for X-ray, orange color. Y for yo-yo, yellow color. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z.